Yo, this your boy Pro Ambitions coming back at you with another awesome video. And in today's video, I will be going over a great, and I mean this is an awesome Facebook strategy that you can use and implement today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and always comment below what you're thinking or future videos that you will want to see. Also, I made a Facebook group and I'm going to be putting out some great content that I won't be putting on YouTube inside the group. So make sure that you check out the links below. That's where the group will be. That's where all my social media will be. Follow me. Make sure you hit that bell button so you can be notified on all the videos that I'll be putting out in the near future, so you can stay up to date and you can win. Let's get into the video. So we're here at the magical board, and as you can see, I have everything step by step on what I'm going to show you laid out. So before we get started with the video, I just want to make sure that you know that I'm not just putting out a random strategy. This is a strategy that I personally use, and it's the reason why my new store with the new Pixel was able to generate, I think it was $326 and some change yesterday. I'll throw up a screenshot, but that's besides the point. So what I'm basically saying is this isn't just a regular strategy. You can use this, implement this, and if you have some good algorithmic targeting and you have a great product, I promise you this will get you started. So without carrying on too much, let me just get started and explain this. So I call this the slow grind method because you're starting off with a low budget and you're grinding up. Oh my god, sorry about that. So we have here starting budget $5 or $10, and the reason why I have $5 or $10 is because if you have a bigger budget, do this with a $10 ad spend. If you have a lower budget, you can still do it with $5 ad spend. $5 ad spend isn't dead, you still can use it. So let's move on to the next step. Let the ad run for five days without changing the price, no matter what, unless you don't get any sales by day 4. So what I'm saying is, if you're scared to invest, don't do this method, and because it can take all your money if you don't have good algorithmic targeting and you don't have a good product. But if you do have both of those, you will win, and this will get you started. So you want to let the ad run for 5 days. The reason why I say 5 days is because you want that pixel data to start building up, and once you start getting that pixel data building up, and Facebook is going to notify if that's a winner or if that's a potential winner, and you want to run it for 5 days, no matter what, unless on a day 4 you don't get any sales, and by the 5th day, if you're profitable, you're in the money. So the last step we have, if the ad is still profitable after 5 days, scale to 25. Each day after that, it's profitable, scaled by 15. So after the 5th day, you want to scale up to $25 on the ad that's profitable. By the 5th day, you should have enough pixel data to be able to tell if it's going to be a potential winner or it's going to be able to something that could just get you a little bit of money here and there. Well, not really here and there, because you want to be able to find winners, but you'll be able to tell after the 5th day. So you scale up to 25, you'll be spending more money. Every day after that, it's profitable. Scale up by 15 so you can massively increase your ROIs, and which is return on investment, and you could get more money. And remember, I didn't throw this on the board, but always remember this. Anytime you scale, you want to scale at midnight. 12 a.m. to 12:10 a.m. That is the time frame that Facebook actually freezes its ads, and that's when you're able to edit them. So anytime you're scaling up, remember, only scale at midnight. I know a lot of people don't know about this, and if you don't scale within those time frames, you're going to mess up your algorithm. So that's the reason why I say scale only at midnight. And after that, keep on scaling up 15. keep on scaling up 15. If you want to get a little risky with it, you know, this is high risk, high reward. You know, if you want high reward, you got to be a little risky. Once you get to 50, you could double it to 100. You know, and if that works, keep on doubling by 50. Keep on going up by 50. So right here I have pronounced the slow grind method. You know, I use this for a lot of my ads, and it's been the reason why on my new Pixel I was able to generate $326 or $25. I'll throw up a screenshot as I said. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you want me to make more, make sure you comment below. Make sure you subscribe. Join the family, join the Facebook group, and as always, remember, 2018 is our year. Don't give up, don't stop. We're at the 6-month mark, and if you haven't done what you want to do yet with, you know, with your Shopify or whatever business you have going on, make it happen. You know, try harder. You gotta outwork your opponents, and just don't give up, because miracles can happen. Peace out. This your boy Pro Ambitions.